Hello. Today we're going to make this. It's really cool. And I'm a little baby. This is my mom. And
Hi.
So
we said that at the same time. So what? That's something we always do when we do jinx. So what we're gonna make is a construction paper garden. All we need is construction paper, scissors, and glue. And what we want to do is just create a little garden. We got our flowers, which are springy because we fold them.
Yeah.
And then we just cut out the stems and the flowers.
Grass.
Oh yeah, we got some grass there too. And so yeah, it's pretty easy.
So the first step, we gotta cut out strips. These are strips. They're the lines. Can you pick a strips? And then you make a circle. Can you make a circle, Mama?
Yeah, I can do a circle. What color?
Let's see. Maybe orange.
Orange. Okay, let me do a circle. So I made a circle about this size.
One more.
One more. Okay.
So next, we gotta cut out leaves. I'll cut out the leaves.
Okay. So let me show you what Tallulah is doing.
This triangle. So the next step, we collect all the different shapes.
Okay, so we
In the
made
same pile.
circles.
They're like eyes. Hello.
And we made triangles.
Oops, one more. There's one more left.
And then we've also made the strips, right?
So
Okay, so what do we do next?
the next thing is we cut out a big piece of paper. You can cut out a little piece of paper if you want, but I'm going to cut out a little piece too. If you are, okay, if you cut out a big piece, we need construction paper for this though.
Okay.
And then we cut that off.
Okay, do you want to show them? So we just cut this into a little square. So what do we do next?
The next thing, we get glue and we'll get
Oh, I have some glue right here.
Oh, thank you. And then we open the cap. Okay. And then we put it here.
Show again what we're doing.
This is the first thing that we got here. I glued this.
So I'm just cutting
And
paper.
I was doing this.
Yeah, so she made the flower, right? You have the middle and the stem, and then I'm just cutting out little pieces of paper that will be the petals. Just little pieces of paper. We have a purple paper, but you can use whatever color paper you want.
Yeah, because this is your own art project.
Yep, exactly. We like this project a lot because it's springtime.
And so it's like springy and it's springtime.
You're right, exactly. So yeah, just gluing, taking the pieces that we cut out and putting them on the flower.
So it's not done yet.
But this flower looks like it's pretty good, right?
Yeah. Later on, we are going to do a cookie after this one.
We are gonna make cookies after this. And that'll be really fun
Yeah.
because we get to eat them after.
Mhm.
And then we are gonna take our flowers that we've made.
And spring them, please.
We'll spring them. So what we do to make them springy,
I like this one the most.
you like that one, is we fold it. So we just take the pieces.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty easy. We just fold it back and then fold it forward and then fold it back
Like
and then
this?
forward. Yeah.
But we just now with this glue. Gluey. Glue. Then we make it stand up, or we'll show you. So now, how we make them stand up?
Yeah, so when
Mom will show you.
when we glue them, sometimes they kind of get a little droopy. So what we'll want to do next is we want to put this, I cut out a little strip, and then I just glue it to the back of it to make it stand up. So what I'll do is I'll glue that. This one kind of has a little mind of its own, but this one is super springy. So what you want to do...
This one has...
Yeah, so I put that on the back to kind of keep them up.
Mind of its own.
Mind of its own. And then so what we'll do is however many, you can keep adding as many flowers as you want. You can make some grass. So this is the finished one, and this is what we did. We made grass, and we made the flowers springy. You can just add whatever you want to your garden, right? So thank you guys for doing this craft with us, and we hope you have a good time making your gardens. Bye!
Bye!